In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. Smooth scrolling makes pages glide more fluidly as you move through them, reducing the choppy, jumpy feeling you might notice on long articles, social feeds, or dashboards. It's a small change that can make browsing feel noticeably more polished, especially if you use a mouse wheel or trackpad. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using a current version of the browser for best results. Next, click the address bar at the top of the window and type Chrome/flags, then press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. Flags let you try features that aren't always enabled by default yet. Because these are experimental, change only the specific setting we cover here, and avoid toggling anything you're unsure about. At the top of the Flags page, you'll see a search box. Click into it and type Smooth Scrolling. Spelling matters here. If you don't see a result, double-check that it's typed exactly like that. In most versions of Chrome, you'll find a flag called Smooth Scrolling. This flag controls whether Chrome animates the page position in small, consistent steps rather than jumping abruptly. To the right of the Smooth Scrolling flag, there's a drop-down menu. Click it and choose Enabled. You might also notice options like Default or Disabled. Default usually follows Chrome's built-in choice for your platform, while Disabled turns the feature off. Selecting Enabled ensures smooth scrolling is active, regardless of the default behavior on your device. Once you've set the drop-down to Enabled, look for a Relaunch button at the bottom right corner of the window. Click Relaunch. Chrome will quickly close and reopen to apply the change. Your open tabs should come right back, but it's always smart to save any in-progress work elsewhere before relaunching, just in case a page needs to reload. After Chrome restarts, smooth scrolling is on. As you browse, you should notice a more even, fluid motion when you scroll through long pages. This can help reduce visual strain and make it easier to track where you are in a document or feed. If at any point you prefer the old behavior, you can return to Chrome/flags, search for smooth scrolling again, and switch the drop-down back to default or disabled. Keep in mind that flags can move or change names over time as features graduate into standard settings, so your screen might look slightly different in future versions. That's it. You've enabled smooth scrolling in Google Chrome, and your browsing should now feel more responsive and refined.